I am Bobby Kramer. I'm a faculty here at Midwestern, and I'm going to challenge my alma mater, the University of Pittsburgh Dental Medicine.
Gary Johnson, University of Minnesota. Go Gophers!
I'm Tom Smith, Markham Devils. I'm afraid to nominate Kira and Lacey.
But you will. We're nominated. Kira and Lacey.
I'm David Hancock. I'm going to nominate and challenge my friends at LSU in New Orleans and my friends at the University of Kentucky.
Dr. Smith and I went to the University of the Pacific. We're putting a challenge out to the administrative team at the University of the Pacific Orthodontic School of Dentistry to the Ice Bucket Challenge.
Action.
This is the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, and we are Midwestern
Faculty.
1, 2.